Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. If you're new here, we do hair reviews, lifestyle stuff, and whatever else in between. If that sounds good to you, maybe think about subscribing. Today though, we're going to be talking about this ginger orange wig. Today's hair sponsor is Binf Hair. It's kind of hard to say, but yeah, today's hair is from Binf Hair. They sent me this 22-inch ginger orange wig. This is in the straight texture. I actually thought I was getting a 13x1, a T-part wig, but no, I got the 13x6. So here we are in all its glory. You guys, I'm trying to get the setting right for the lighting, but I'm kind of struggling. I think I'm going to turn it down just so you guys can see the true color. Yeah, so this is what it really looks like in real life. This is the color. It is a beautiful orangey ginger color, and I'm actually in love with the color. The lace melted really well to my skin as well. I did not do any bleaching to this unit. I did not put a wig cap on, and this is how she came out. All I did was put some foundation along the part just to make it look a little bit more defined. I want to talk about the density, you guys, because for me, the density is kind of thin. Like, it's looking a little sad. Some people like the thin look, but personally for me, you guys, I would have preferred it to be a little bit bit thicker. So I think with that being said, I'm probably going to cut it into a bob, because you know when the hair is thin on the ends, if you cut that off, it definitely looks fuller. So that's probably what I'm going to do in the future. But for now, I'm going to leave it the way that it is. So that's the only thing that I would say could be improved. But besides that, you guys, the wig is absolutely stunning. And for such a highlighted wig, like for them to get it to the blonde color, for them to color it this color, they had to do a lot to it, and it does feel really soft. Keep in mind, I am wearing this wig out of the box, so I didn't wash it, I didn't color it, I didn't do anything to it. This is how the wig came. It is definitely super silky straight. The wig does feel really, really soft. Let me know your thoughts on the unit. I'm going to show you guys up close what it looks like. And this is with hairspray, so keep in mind, if you do decide to wear this wig and you put a ball cap and you do glue method, it's going to look even more realistic. But I'm not mad at it. I think it turned out really well, and I think it's really cute. It's something fun and different. I actually really love this color on my skin tone. Again, I just wish it was a bit fuller. With that being said, you guys, I think you guys should definitely check them out. If you are in the market for an affordable ginger orange wig, you should definitely check out Binf Hair. I'm going to leave all the information to this company in the description box for you guys. And if there's a coupon code, use that, save some coins, and help your girl out. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.